Tilly TV. That's my dog over there. She's shy. She's not afraid of big dogs, but she's just cautious.
She's a sweetheart.
Oh, she is. I can tell.
Don't eat stuff off the floor, Momo. Come on.
But I've been putting about 1 or 2 minute videos of all the neighborhood dogs up on our YouTube channel, and it goes. Everybody's extreme. We need to get back in the way things should be.